tripping with the boys in the first gen Yoda. We're going to get a 360 5.9 Mopar motor from the guy that bought the Charger. We gotta drop the title off to him. But it's in the yard and we can't get the truck in the yard, so it's gonna be a little bit of a situation. We think we got it figured out. We're fitting to see.
We're there, so on this.
Y'all can see it's raining. Cameron can see fine. Wow.
Come back here. There she is. 5'9". Getting it out old-fashioned style with some plywood. Well, particle board.
We're gonna try to slide this one underneath that one.
Underneath it. There. Next board. Yep. Nice. And power through, yeah.
It does. It only fits straight through though.
Does the stand come with it?
If you want it, just a hobo freight stand.
I mean, it'll at least help us get it home. If you want it back, I could always get it back to you.
That's one less thing for me to have to store.
There you go.
I'm just gonna have to skip it.
Oh shit. It just split this one right in two.
That board said nope.
It said no hope today, sir.
We could turn it around too, because we're front heavy.
Yes. Should rotate.
Rotate it.
Rotate it.
Neither one of the wheels are sunken right now. We're just gonna push one more time, I think.
When they got here, they did that.
Damn, that's fucked
I was
up.
standing there with the guy. I'm like,
Hello?
he just fucked it up. I'm like, am I here? Say hi.
Bro, it must have been a Chevy guy. Like, let me stop.
You're not wrong.
That's...
Oh no.
No, we fell through.
Yeah. If we got one of them boards, you can just lift it up though, like last time.
A few minutes later.
Oh yeah.
Give me somebody on every side.
Oh, come off. Oh, it's off again.
Yep, going for the other board. There we go. There we go. Little update. Trying to get the header pipes off so that this can actually fit in the bed.
Y'all see this? This would have flew the fuck out, and we would have been catching the charge.
Was that the starter?
Something. Alright, check it out.
We're going. Y'all should really get a tripod for this camera.
Yeah, it would probably be a lot easier sometimes.
Facts. Because I'm over here shaking the fuck out of this bitch. I know I am.
Painting my beautiful injectors. Trying to get the fucking fan off. Yup. We're gonna get it.
Back to the 5.9 tear down. They done got. Go. And that's how you beat an impact. Okay.
Yeah, get this on camera. Surface rust of the homebrew. That shit's fucking crazy.
Before?
After.
After.
I think these bolts are gonna need another night of soaking, definitely. But we're still gonna try it. Cut. Slump boy. How many foot-pounds do you think?
Yeah, well, I guess. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's good. Soft or crunchy? Yes. T7?
Middle.
All you Taco Bell employees will know.
Taco Bell.
So Cameron, what did he say this came out of?
I think he said a 99 or 98 1500 Laramie.
98, 1500, something like that?
Yeah, something like that.
And what'd you say, 90,000 miles or something?
About 190.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah.
Well, either way,
Yeah.
you're cleaning her up, so she's fine. Just pulled that big 5.9 intake off, baby. Let's see it. That thing is fucking honestly huge.
Cam scored.
Nuh-uh.
Just a little. Look at it.
This Cajun takedown.
Yeah, you can see that. Underneath the valve cover.
New gaskets, and it looks just like a 5.0.
Definitely does have a newer gasket
Why
on
does it look just like a 5.0?
Because
This is a Ford motor.
90s combustion engine.
Ford.
Mopar. You think he knows it's a Mopar? It's like, it's not a Ford.
It's the same thing.
That's kind of.
That's a Ford rocker. That's a Mopar.
It's a little wider down here.
I mean, yeah, they're slightly different.
Yeah,
but
there's slight
the design
differences.
is
Yeah,
very
That's cool though.
newer gasket, bro. That thing's that's probably still a good gasket. No cap. I just pulled it off one piece and
Header might have to come off. Is this a header bolt?
Nope. I took the bolt off. It's inside my fucking piece now.
trying to get these header bolts out.
Inside the fucking. But even just getting the ratchet
Well-
is a champion.
Got the headers or header off and working on
There
the
you
second
go.
one.
It snapped the bolt.
It did snap the bolt. It's right here.
Good timing.
And he's putting the second headlight in on Dirty Max.
This is the sleeve.
Head off. She needs honing.
Especially this one. This one's fucked.
Look at the valve on the same cylinder, dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's fucked. So there's a crack somewhere. That's cool.
That's not good.
Sounds like wood.